Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. And on today's video, I will be showing you how to delete all liked videos on YouTube. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your device, open up the YouTube application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you land on this home page, head over to the bottom section of this interface. There you will get your profile icon. Tap on your profile icon, then you will be taken to your profile page. Now again, tap on the settings icon from the upper right corner, then you will land on settings page. From here, scroll down a bit and just under this manage all history, you will get an option that is your data in YouTube. Tap on there. That will take you to next page. Here, scroll down a bit and under this YouTube watch history, you will get an option as manage your YouTube watch history. So tap on that. Then you land on this page. Again, from the top menu bar, tap on interactions. Then under video interactions, at the very first option, you will get video likes and dislikes. Tap on that. And on this page, you will get all your videos that you have liked too. Now, if you want to delete that individually, you can simply go and delete that individually by tapping on this cross icon alongside that video. Or if you want to delete all them at once, then above that, alongside with this date of that video, you will get cross icon. Tap on that and all the video will get deleted at once. Here, if you want to go individually, then tap on this cross icon, and as you can see, the video is deleting now. Since I only had one item, so it is already deleted. And that's how you can simply delete all the likes videos on YouTube. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.